yeah, this is going to be a very high-level and basic introduction to the computer vision with convolutional neural networks. What I'm going to do today is give you some introduction to the what's so-called classical or conventional computer vision. Then we will move to neural networks and deep learning. In the neural networks part, we will talk about the fully connected neural networks, which is the simplest form of the neural networks. Then we will talk about the elements of them and how they are trained very briefly, because there is another conversation, another training session for training. I'm not going to go deep into that. And then we will talk about the convolutional neural networks, which is the main topic of this talk. And the convolutional neural networks are the type of neural networks that are very popular in computer vision. And this summit being a computer vision summit, that's what we are interested here. And we will talk about the building blocks of it, then applications of it, and talk about some popular CNN architectures and mobile architectures that are used for the embedded ones. And yeah. And please, if you have any questions, you can just go to the microphone and ask me and interrupt me in the middle. Don't worry about that. I love the session to be interactive. And you don't have to keep your questions towards the end, as it is a long session, and you may forget that, or it may become irrelevant after a while. So please feel free to ask.